We're taking a look at real IT job postings on Indeed and breaking down the requirements. Let's get it. First and foremost, if you're getting into IT, you need to know what a ticketing system is and how to use a ticketing system. So we're talking Jira, ServiceNow, Spiceworks, Remedy. There's a ton of them out there. So go look them up and make sure you know how to use a ticketing system. This one's for a tier 2 position. So essentially that means that the first line of defense when a ticket or someone calls in for a problem, if the first line of people can't fix it, they escalate it to tier 2, being you would have more experience or more access to troubleshoot problems. So this line is saying be ready to troubleshoot via on the phone, through email, or something called remote desktop, which means that you can connect to a user's computer from your computer. You don't have to be in the same location as them. This line is talking about making sure that you can train the tier 1 folks, but you need to know what Active Directory is, which is essentially a Microsoft solution of creating and managing accounts in an organization, in a company. Password reset, so if you're using an account and someone forgets their password or their account is just locked, you can reset the password using Active Directory. Mobile device management, so if your company or your organization has folks using mobile phones like iPhones or Androids, the company has to have a way of remotely managing all those devices that are being deployed. So there are solutions called MDM, right? Mobile device management. So you need to know how to use MDM software. So the line below me is pretty much your run-of-the-mill IT help desk type things, making sure you know how to troubleshoot and resolve problems that can happen with laptops or desktops, software issues, hardware issues, laptops freezing, software crashing, network not working, the mouse is not working, printer's not working, stuff like that. So this is where you need to have a wide variety of experience troubleshooting different components, different hardware, different software, all that good stuff. This next line is very important. Obviously, we are gearing up to have everyone move to Windows 11 because Windows 10 is going end of support, but they talk about Windows 10 and Windows 7. So it's very possible that this environment has a need for users to continue using older or legacy operating systems. That could be for a variety of reasons. Software not being updated, so the software has to run on an older version of an operating system. So guys, this is a tier 2 job posting that I found on Indeed. It's pretty standard. You need to know how to troubleshoot and work with different technologies like Active Directory and be comfortable talking to people.